Bei ya jana, si bei ya leo, tunakatika. Continue. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel, and I am Jenny Mulwa. Today we will be opening this package that I ordered from Jumia through the Black Friday deal. So I needed to do something that is so different. I want us to open the package together and see if the Black Friday deals are really deals. You know what I mean? Sometimes unapatanga like you really doubt if that 30% off is really a deal. Yeah, and the times are tough. So all we need to do is just save on the small money that we have and really get a product at our affordable price. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. It's like a test. Yani nataka kuona kama now the deal is a deal here. And it's more of skincare. Yeah, I've really invested on my skin. I hope it will please skin. No, I love to cut that part off. Yeah, so let's open this package. I ordered it last week and here it is. Let's see what's inside and we'll compare the prices from the normal outlets. Yeah, here it goes. I need something sharp, but I have something sharp. Why are they not conserving the environment? Okay, here it is. Kindly help keep our environment clean by leaving this bag with a Jumia representative at your point. Do we return this package bags? No. Here it is. Oh my. Look at that. Heaven on earth. So here it is. We have this pure active 3-in-1 charcoal, and we have the booster serum, and you also have the vitamin C moisturizer. Yeah, so they are well. Okay, let me remove all of them. This feels nice. Unboxing her. I love language. Yeah, so one thing I always check is the expiry date. Yeah, you need to check that. So let me see. This one is okay, this one is 2025. Yeah, 2025 expiring. What about the other one? The booster serum. This is the booster serum. It looks like that. 30 ml. Same 2025. That is how many years from now? 2. Of course, don't make it 10. Then the other one is this 50 ml protective cream. Yeah, the SPF 30 cream, the vitamin C. And before I was using this sunscreen. This is Fraudia SPF 50 plus, though it's over, and I needed something else. So sunscreen is very important. It has really helped my skin, prevent it from the sun rays. Yeah. Another thing that I bought or it included in my package are these masks. Yeah, I bought 4 of them, and here they are. So I really need my skin to act well. And what do? I love to find out. I will do a skincare routine and we'll see how to go along with it. So on to my budget. Total that I spent including delivery, I spent 2600 bob. Yeah, to find out is really a Black Friday a deal. Now is it? This one's in your normal store, you'll find them for 350 bob, and I bought each at 250, so I saved 100 bob for each. That is how much? Do the math. On to this one, the 3-in-1 black charcoal. This at your normal favorite store that starts with an N. This goes for 995 bob. Yeah, So we'll do the math and see. What about this one? This is the vitamin C booster serum. At your normal store or your favorite store that starts with a C or an N, this goes for $11.20. Yeah. On to the other one, the protective cream. At your normal store or your favorite store, this goes for around $10.50. Yeah. So this one plus this one plus this one as a package, total they will go for $31.65. Yeah. So 30% off, they will go for about 900 bob less. Totaled me to the 2600 bob that I got for all this. So in short, Jumia is a good deal and you should grab it up before the deal is over. Yeah, grab the deal before it's off your plate. Off your plate. I'm coming to the end of the video, and what I would say is that we really need to find ways in how we can care for ourselves in the best possible way. Yeah, someone mentioned that kujinunulia skincare products that are of good quality, it is a form of self-love or self-care. And if you want to do that, I'm just here as a messenger. Please go for it. If you really want to buy something and you feel that you are not having that money in you, please just look for the available means, buy the one that you can afford, and hurrah, you have nailed it. You have gotten what you wanted. So don't wait, the time ends there, please. Tomorrow is not promised. Buy yourself that one thing that you really needed at a good price, and it must be of good quality. Okay, we need not to be second guessing items that you have bought. Oh, itaniaribu nini. Please buy the best and don't be influenced by fake people. I'm not mentioning names. Thank you for your time and be blessed. I also accept PR packages, so in case you have anything that you want to sell, you can hit me up. I'll give out my email and let's collaborate together.